Hi guys, it's been a minute. How have you guys been? How's your trading been? To be honest, I've been busy, but I've been trading in the background. But not like I have, when I just see quick markup, I just take it and that's it. So today I'm gonna be doing weekly outlook and then we're gonna do it together, okay? So I'm just gonna give like a minute or two max so we can continue. Okay? Okay, let's just continue then. So first things first, guys. I took I think gold and euro CHF last week. Gold, where did I take gold from? I think from here. Yes, it was from here. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, let me go back to one. I think I saw something. Okay, it was from here I took gold. I'm gonna explain to you guys what happened. So I had two point of interest rather. I was looking at it for this area around here. I would explain. Hold on. And I was looking for it around this area. Okay, we could see it come to the top here. Well, you know what? This area, right? So what did I do? I took my entry from here, from this point. 1 second. It was supposed to be just a very short stretch. What's this guy? Short. Okay, from here. What's wrong with this guy? Hold on 1 second. Something is wrong. That's not coming up. Let me just use this. I took the entry from here. I was supposed to like, TP around this area. And then yes, it's actually activated, little bit of drawdown for a while. And then it started going down nice until this point. And I saw there was a news on about the Trump tariff, this. And it started going back. I was already tired. I was in trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost like 12, 13 hours or something. So I just ended up closing around this area. That was about how many pips? From here to here. Yeah, around this area. That was where I actually found it about 30 something pips. And later we saw it dive down to this area and then it's still running, but I'm already out, so I don't have business with whatever trade I'm out of, you understand? So that's that about that. Let's just go ahead and see what we have for the week. At the moment, guys, I always say something. I trade like carefully. I don't just get into the market because I want to trade. Do you understand? Yes, we're not going to have 100% trading rates, but we can minimize our unnecessary losses in the market. Do you understand? Now, this is the DXY. I don't have the markup here. It's on my other computer. But let's see what we can do on DXY. DXY has just been funny consolidation-ish around this area. You see it, we have a breakout, broken so the first thing I want to see, right? Even looking at this as a layman, I want to see it come back to this area, right? Like see DXY get strong and come back to that area thereabout. Yep. Okay, this area. So a further push to the downside. But before then, this is on a day time frame. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, what do we have? Okay, still have the downtrend, you see. And then started building some sort of okay. I think I love what happened here. If you look at this was the last move to the downside, and it started breaking the little high. So until it breaks this place, then I don't confirm like it started reversing. You understand? But even with this small move, okay, came here, you can see, and then came back to this downside to take it out. And then we see a further takeout of this little high here to this side. Then what happened? Boom, it came down to this side, right? Maybe it wants to start taking off, we don't know, but we'll see that when the market opens. Um, yeah, so at least we see it's do something around this area. Okay, you see, that's what it most likely did. Yeah, so that's it. That's that about DXY. AUD, I'm just gonna like, go through everything like bit by bit and then we go Look at this, guys. This should have been a very perfect trade at this point, though not like a very high probable trade or something, but at this point at least we're supposed to get into it. But yeah, I was not going to take this if just not I could take it on market execution, but not on pending orders. Uh Structure is not structuring at the moment. Yeah, it's just the AED card, AED CHF. What do we have on you? Almost the same thing. We're looking for a pushback to about this side on AED CHF, then further to the downside because it looks like it's been trending downwards for a bit, right? Let's go down to 4 hours. Is there any internal structure? Okay, it's just the same type of other structures I don't like to trade. AUD I don't like it. AUD NZD, what you got going on? Nothing. I don't like this yet. AUD USD, still the same, nothing, no structure, just there. Bitcoin, oh, nice. I think I see something on Bitcoin. If you look at the same thing, let's start from here. We've seen this taken out around here by this, right? So this is no more the focus. This is now the focus. Okay, we saw this move and then nothing else since then. So now, where's the last candle around this range? Let's see if it has activated. Oh, nice. It has activated. That's for Bitcoin. Though I didn't get into this trade, so well, it is what it is. Very nice push. We got an entry from 103, 3 something, 104. Very good profit right now. See a move to about this place, so maybe back to the upside where it's coming from. CAD JPY. Let me see this. I don't really like the structure. Downtrend, then it got here, change the structure. Did it break? Okay, it broke. So the first thing I would like to, like what I would love on CAD JPY, to be honest, is this area here. Let it get visited and one more time and then we take it up. This is one thing I know for sure for CAD JPY. But here, I don't really like, I'm not really like, hard on the sell side. CAD JPY, I think I want to see it do this. You understand? All the trades I'm setting, I'm still going to look into them deep when the market opens. Movement of the market determined. You understand? We don't just want to get into every type of trade or any type of trade we see. 1 day time frame. Oh, nice trade. Break it down. You see, wow, this will have been very amazing. CHFJPY. Let's continue. It's been a long time I traded Germany 30, but I see no structure here. It's just trending up with no point of entry for me. Euro AED, what did you go up there to look for? Structure? Not exactly. Nah. Euro, Euro CAD. Euro CAD. This 1 second. I don't really like it, to be honest. Euro Swiss franc. Too much noise. Euro GBP. Yes. Well, some people will get into this, but let's go down to 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Where's 1 hour time frame? Okay. So come back to this point. What happened? Okay. So if you look at this, came here to dig this out. This was the last move, this. Yes, took it out and went with this. And since then, we didn't have any candle come to visit until this guy, which is very nice. So at the moment, uh, I think it's giving another point of entry here. That's to 4 hours. I'm gonna stream down to see this. So let's see what's going on here, guys. Um, took this high. Then we can see this. Not a very high probable trade though, but at least it's building structure. Gonna look out for this during the week. Euro JPY. Let me see Euro JPY on a higher time frame. The JPY pairs have been doing shit. See, what the hell is this? Oh, okay. What kind of trend do we have? We've got fat, to be honest. I don't really like it. It's gonna stressing me out, even looking at it. Euro USD, Euro USD. Let's see 1 day time frame for Euro USD. It's been, a handful of move with Trump, with this, with that, but structure is it gonna be structure? Euro USD is not very clear, to be honest. I just let it be. Which other one do we have? GA, no. GBPCAD, nah. CHF, nah. GBPJPY, no for now. NZD, no. Not looking at anything. Let me see NAS 100. NAS has been flying high. So I think, I don't know if this should have activated, but on daytime frame, if you see something like this, this was the last high or something. Okay, let me even do this. Let me go down to 4 hours. Let's see. It's activated already. So we are looking at this. This is our endpoint, this area. So if we see NAS get to this point, I think, yeah, let me see something. Let me see the trend. It's been a strong uptrend, like ever since this drawdown came, this pullback came. Let's just watch out for NAS too. NASDAQ, NZD card, no NZD JPY. The other structure, nothing really. This is a downtrend actually, but let's see this. UJ, This would have been a very nice one if we can see this happen. And let's see. This actually came to, get us in with this. So someday I know for sure we're gonna see this too. It's gonna be a really crazy one because looking at this, I don't know what's up with I don't know. Every other thing is working, but my long and short are not working. What happened? I'll check that. But you see this. I love this USDJPY. So let me just go and check gold. Is there any other thing I want to see on gold? Gold has just been trending up, which is very nice. And then when we saw this happen, this was the last low before it continued, from here when we had this. Okay, this was the last low here. So let's see this area. Taking it back, so good. If we see gold, because one thing about structure is, guys, when I see an uptrend, I don't want to be I don't want to be selling in a trending market. You understand? I don't want to get caught up in that kind of situation. So we'll allow the market to run, and then at this point we could be seeing something. So let's see. But if gold is ever going to, like, reverse or something, it's around this point we could be looking at, which there's no indicator for gold to sell right now. But the best entry we could see is around this area. You understand? But yes, that's for today, guys. Any other thing I see, I'll surely share it on the group. I'll be diligent about being active in the group this week. So I'm going to share everything I see in the market, and then we all can read. We can learn. You understand? So take care of yourself, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.